Alright, so we're heading on the field right now. It's the Dead Rabbit Blackbirds versus Sofa White. This is it. This is the first time on the field, any tournament. Hopefully it's going to be huge. Let's see what happens. You got Ken on the field. You got Jake on the field. And you got our new bull. Kid's name is Justin King. So, let's see what happens. There's Jake. We're gonna head down there to their start. Oh, put you down. All right. So this one, we got to get a flag off the 50. You get a flag for a point, and then we got to hang the flag for 2 points. You got Ken in the middle, it looks. There we go. Jake off the break. Sounds like Ken doesn't know Jake's out. We're gonna get flanked. He's gonna get wrecked. That was that. All right. Well, we'll be back in a couple minutes. We got another round, and then our second squad will be up. So stay tuned.